Hi scientists, welcome to your channel. Let's perform experiments to understand the concepts of science. In this pandemic, everyone's movement is restricted. So, today we will try to move a few things with this experiment. For this experiment, you will need a glass dish, tray or vessel, water, and most importantly, a temporary marker. How do we start this? First of all, with the help of your marker, draw something inside the glass tray. Draw it over again. Now, let us fill this with water. And gently straighten it so as to make the water go below the figure that we have drawn. So, do you see the man moving? So, how did this happen? The ink in a temporary marker consists of the dye or pigment dissolved in alcohol. Now, alcohol evaporates very quickly. So, when we draw it on the dish, the alcohol evaporates and only the dye, the pigment, is left behind.
Now, the pigment that is left by the marker is designed in such a way that it is not too sticky, so that it can be erased very easily. As a result, it allows the water to get under it. Things float in water because of a difference in density. If something is less dense compared to water, it will float. The density of the residue is significantly lower than the water. And so, when the water gets under it, it floats and allows us to move it by making the water ripple.
So, this is how we make things move with a marker and some water. That's all for this experiment. Thanks for watching. We'll meet again next time.